Raider!
YouTube fam, welcome back after an epic 24 hours of customizing my 18 Road Glide. I finally hit the hay, but guess what? I am back, pumped up and ready to go pound for pound and reveal this bike. I need you guys to buckle up, hit that throttle, let's get that money. Before we do the big reveal, I want to give you the inspiration which came behind the bike. Two things I wanted to accomplish. If you've been watching the videos, then you heard me talk about the theme of the bike. Now, I got the theme from a particular movie series that you guys all know, and there was a particular set of characters that I thought were so dope, and I always love these guys. So I wanted to pay homage to them. Hopefully you enjoy that. The second thing I wanted to accomplish was I wanted to bring the performance and a classic bagger together and fusion them and see what look we could get. I really want to hear your comments, whether it's positive or it's negative. I want to hear it in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you are digging the content. So without further delay, let's get money. Let's stop playing and let's get right down to the big reason we came to the video. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to introduce you to Stormtrooper. Yes, sir, all my motorcycle enthusiasts out there, it is time to reveal the 2018 Road Glide Special in that Bonneville Salt Pearl that was only made in 1 year. So this bike is gonna definitely be a collector's item. So let's jump into the mods real quick. Let me know what you guys think. Let's get it. As always, I am gonna start from the top and work our way back to the rear. Guys, we gotta start off first with the 9-inch Sport Flare Klockwerks windshield right there. Wanna give a huge shout out to Klockwerks. Then we're gonna come down, guys, and you see we put the trim piece right underneath that windshield. That really gives it uniformity. Absolutely loving the way that dressed the front up. But then we gotta jump down and give another huge shout out to Advan Black for hooking us up with this sweet bezel right here. You guys see it attaches to the fairing, and you can see, man, it gives it that crazy look, kind of like a Stormtrooper mask, man. Awesome. Loving the way that brought out the aggressive look of the front headlights and everything. It gives it a different whole view from the front end, man. So let's continue to work our way down. If you love Harley Davidson motorcycles, this is the video for you. Guys, you know I had to clean up those front forks right here, and you guys are gonna see it's already all blacked out, but then I took it up another level and put the front fork covers on there right there, as you see. Now you can see they've got the trim right there, and then we also put the trim piece right there that gives it uniformity. Let me stop around to the front so you guys can see that mean aggressive stance that those front forks give the bike. All blacked out. We were able to black out all of the bolts to the rotors and everything, so we got that true all blacked out look. It is time to release the big show. Here is that 21-inch Talon wheel on that Dunlop Elite Pro tire, guys. You can see it's still got the lining on there. That is how fresh and brand new it is. Now I'm gonna drop a video of that turbine wheel that I got. Notice it had the contrast in there. Now we're gonna zoom back. Now check out the blacked out version that we got at JLH Choppers, and he painted that, guys. This is an amazing painter right here. You need to get at him. If your paint job doesn't look like this, then you need to get at my man. But let's take our time, man, and I'm gonna hit that with a little bit of shine, and I'm gonna get all the way up on that so you guys at home and all across the country can see just how big of a shine that is and how much of the blackout that brought the bike in. Loving this wheel right here. Definitely want to hear your thoughts on the 21-inch rim up front. Always preaching in your guys' ear, the little things mean so much. Guys, you can see I smoked out the turn signals right there with that smoked out cap, as well as the LED lights behind it. And man, look at the way those lights look with that bezel on the front right there. And let me jump to the back, and man, I'm telling you guys, it is just the little things that bring your bike out. Now we smoked everything out in the back all black with the screens as well as the LED lights, and then added the saddlebag lights right there to give it some snap, crackle, pop. I am so excited about this next mod right here, and you guys can see I wanted to pay homage to the CVO Road Glide ST, so I went with the performance crash bars right here. Let me jump on the other side so you guys can see it. Really thought this brought the bike out, and they've got the spinnies on there, and you can replace these if the bike ever drops. So really a great mod, but I'm interested to know what you guys think. This is trying to fusion the performance and the classic touring bagger together. Let me know your thoughts on that. All right, styles up on styles, man. I'm so hyped up about this next mod right here. You guys see the Phantom floorboard with the brake pedal right there, looking so mean and aggressive. I gotta switch to the other side, and you gotta get the love of the heel toe shifter right there, as well as the matching floorboard on the other side. But wait, I'm not finished. I'm gonna head up, and you guys can see we went with the tank badge right there. We stripped off the old school and in with the new clean modern badging right there. And let me shoot back down, man. That plays amazing. You know, I gotta keep the love coming to you with this beautiful Saddlemen SDC step-up seat right here. Guys, this is another one of the mods that I wanted to do to kind of fusion the performance with the classic bagger right here. Guys, Saddlemen makes a great seat. If you've not heard of them, this is that Saddlemen SDC step-up, a super grippy seat that keeps everything in nice and tight. I hope you are enjoying the reveal to this 2018 Road Glide Special. Man, let me let you guys know I'm going to be dropping more hot content coming your way. I need you to subscribe to the channel, drop a like, comment on the vids, man. Hit that notification bell so you can grip the videos right off the presses. Let's jump back into this reveal. Let's get money. Let's jump up in the cockpit of the bike, and I'm going to show you a few more fusion parts between bagger and classic bagger motorcycle right here. Now guys, you can see I added the CNC grips right there, and they are amazing. Loving that look right there. Also added the webbed out mirrors right there. Let me turn to the back and you guys can see that. Loving that design of that. And then went with the classic all black handguards right there. Again, this is a way to fusion the performance baggers with the classic tours. Loving the look right here. Let's spin around to these beautiful 12-inch ape hangers right here. Now, I thought about going with some T-bars that may come later on in the future, but right now I am still loving the classic look of the 12-inch apes right here. Got a quick question for everybody out there. Now, as you see these beautiful 12-inch ape hangers, and I'm gonna really get all up on that. Now, guys, I wanna give a huge shout out to Thrash and Supply Company. I thought about going with a set of T-bars on here, and we might still go with that, but let me know what you guys think between the T-bars and the classic apes right here. I absolutely love the 8 bars, but I'm curious to know what you guys think. And we are back at it, man. I am throwing the kitchen sink at you guys. Now here is another fusion that we threw in, and these are the saddlebag supports right here. Guys, I thought they would really bring out the bike, especially with the black and the white contrast right there. And we went, of course, with the latch covers right there, all black. And then, of course, you know I had to rock and roll them with the handles as well. But I am really loving these support brackets. I want you guys to go out, grab a pair of these, because they will definitely save your beautiful saddlebags, and it'll save you a lot of money. Gotta definitely keep it simple. Guys, went with the magnet covers right here. These are magnetic covers that just cover the docking area, that cleans everything up. And of course, I had to rock with my signature luggage rack right there. Looks really, really good on the bike. Loving the contrast between the black and the white that it brought. Really cleaned up the back with the stretch bags and everything. And you know I had to jump underneath and show you the matching rear turbine wheel right here. Man, I am absolutely in love with these. Between these and the Prodigy wheels, which are your favorites? The bike is looking absolutely amazing, but a bike reveal cannot be a true one unless you got some thump, unless you definitely got the rumble in the jungle. I want to give a huge shout out to Shark Road Exhaust for hooking me up with these 4.5 canisters right here, looking so mean. I'm loving those aggressive modern slits in there, man. They look really, really good. But further delay, man, we got to see what these boys sound like, so stay tuned. Let's hear these boys rumble. It is time to hear a little bit of the pipes right here. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, but these are some 4.5 slip-ons from Shark Road Exhaust. Let's go ahead and start this baby up and see how she sounds. Here we go. Oh yeah. Nice little rumble back there. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna hit the gas and let me know what you think. Let's rumble up. Yes, sir. Leave me something in the comments below. Let me know what you think about the pipes. Customizing your bike is one of the purest things you can do. Not only does it bring expression out of you and creativity, but it creates a bond between you and your bike. Man, we don't have many years on this earth, so you need to definitely spend the time that you do have doing the things that you love and enjoying your life. Guys, I'm gonna jump on the first ride. You guys are gonna come with me, but till next time, keep those two wheels down. Peace.